G'day, I'm Boris. As usual, we've always got projects on in this garden. At the moment I'm expanding a quite a large garden bed, mulching, laying down cardboard to stop those nasty buttercups coming through, and eventually we'll be filling this with more Wollemi Pine seedlings, as well as podocarps as an understory. We prefer these trees grown from seed to try and ensure some genetic diversity, as it's fairly limited in this species. And we try and collect seed from these female cones here, which also need to be crossed over with a male cone from another tree to help the genetic diversity of the species. Some of these trees were kindly donated by people because they were spindly and horrible and pot-bound in their backyards with nowhere to live. They saw our beautiful Wollemi and went, wow, that's what they look like, and kindly donated them to us, which we're very, very grateful for. The trees that we've planted in this bed have grown beautifully over the last 7 years we've had them here. And the expansion of this bed gives us the opportunity to plant more seedlings grown from seed from various areas and expand this little grove of beautiful Wollemi pines.
Every day I see it rise. I never thought it could be better until I saw it in your eyes.